We're here with Drew Durnil.
So we're here. I'm taking over this motherfucker's channel right here.
This fool over here taking over everything. We're at StarWars land.
We're at StarWars land, and yeah, not that many people are here. Like they said, not that many people are here. I mean, it's kind of popular, you know, kind of packed, but not really. You would think this shit would be like way more like people running around everywhere, Wookiees, but there ain't none of that. So we're gonna ride some rides.
We're here with my brother right here. We're here with my brother and then the homies. Anyways, we go on this ride or what?
Yeah, why not?
Oh, okay. Alright, let's go on this ride. Say it again, say it again.
See, I can see what. No, hold on. It's gonna sound too much. It's gonna sound unnatural. It's gonna sound too unnatural.
I don't care how unnatural it sounds, so I don't say that shit.
I said that I can see why they be putting some of these people working in Star Wars land. Some of these bitches looking like aliens. Well, we all get thrusters here. I'm pretty sure we're all good at thrusting. So.
I don't know, man. I'm pretty sure there's some people that are better than others. Alright, so we just got off of Star Wars, and Drew is the worst fucking pilot in the world.
The only reason why we passed.
Literally, we almost died because this fool never pressed the go or stop. Well, it was just gliding.
Another problem is that our gunners sucked.
Yeah, our gunners. I can't aim.
All you
shooting nothing.
All you do is hold the button.
We can't aim at all. You have to aim for us.
Shooting nothing.
You have to aim for us.
And then our engineer, we only had one good one, but she's not here.
Wow.
This fool over here wasn't fixing nothing.
We're gonna bomb.
Fixing nothing the whole time. We were just on fire. So from my experience on the Star Wars ride, it actually was pretty fun.
Oh yeah, it's pretty
The
fun.
pilots, which were me and Drew, are easily the most important jobs.
If you're rich enough,
If we don't drive right, we pretty much die.
Yeah,
Which
pretty
we
much.
weren't doing.
Well, the cope, I didn't really have to do that much though. I mean, I had pressed some buttons, but I really wasn't doing anything.
It was acceleration and brake, and he wasn't doing either of those.
Yeah, the main pilot does do like a lot of the work, but I'm just saying, yeah, it's interesting. It's true.
It was fun. It was fun.
It's like a video game.
It is. A video game with 6 players.
Disneyland is not very packed, and I'm wondering if it's because it's like 10:40 still. Like maybe in the next like.
Anyways, yeah, we've been in
That bitch
Disneyland.
looks like a ghost. No wonder.
He didn't see her. That's why he went to the wrong side. Anyways, we've been going on all these lines, and ain't no one up
like
in
a
here.
Ghost.
I'm sorry.
Pale is okay. Sorry.
I feel like I hear a voice somewhere. I don't see them though.
I'm blending in.
I don't see them.
Could you imagine fighting a naked white guy in a cloud? You won't be able to see shit.
Yeah, you.
There's like a bunch of mist everywhere, and you see pure white.
Yeah, that every time Drew's in a room that's white, he just disappears.
That's exactly.
You don't even see him.
It's like.
We're up here on Splash Mountain with the homies. I hope I don't drop the camera. We'll see how we go. Yo, Drew, don't say Nelly Furtado.
Don't say what? Nelly Furtado.
No, we're not there yet. Yo, Brad, you get wet?
Remember, like, he was right to the camera too.
You're like, damn, Frank, you got the camera. That shit wasn't waterproof either. Oh my god. Wow, Drew, you got soaked, buddy.
I just got fucking red.
You did though.
Yeah.
Ooh, look at that ass though.
Look at that ass! Woo!
It got depressed real quick.
Wow. He's high. They're doing true.
That's what happens when you do drugs, kids. Shit. Oh, God. Okay. Well, let's hope my camera ain't fucked. Jesus. Yeah, we went. Oh my god. Look at this fool. I don't think I've ever been this wet in my life. Wow, I had no idea there was someone with us the whole time. Yeah, there's someone with us. Fuck. And you realize that.
Oh my god, I did not know that.
Oh well. Look at Drew being stupid.
We're taking live. Christian. We were trying to take right off.
Nice, Drew. Nice. How's your drink, Drew?
It's pretty good. It's like,
Your girl drink.
oh my god, this shit is so expensive.
Oh
Two
my
drinks.
gosh, how much is it?
$50.
A sugar daddy.
Oh, you have a sugar
I
mama.
had a sugar daddy since I was 7 years old, and I still got one.
The only problem, yeah, I know.
Still.
You changed to a mama though.
I mean, I got two now. I got a sugar daddy and a sugar mama. That's how players do. my brother is the coolest brother you can ever have. I'm gonna show you a photo of him just so you can see what he looks like. Coolest motherfucker you'll know. Easy. Alright, so we just finished drawing. Obviously Drew's looks like a robot. Like
Mine
it always
looks the
does.
best.
And mine looks the most realistic. Show him, bro. That's mine. Now go ahead and show him yours.
Perfect.
Now go ahead and show Drew's. Here we go. Exactly.
Perfect.
Exactly.
Isn't that more identical?
Yeah,
That's like
yeah.
the most identical out of everyone.
Yeah, yeah, it's the best.
I'm kind of
for
pissed
sure,
off
for
that
sure.
you guys are so shitty
Yeah,
that you can't even fucking like do it realistically.
The best, obviously.
It's really,
the best.
it really pisses me off.
Yeah.
I don't
Obviously,
even want to be friends
Drew
with you
should
guys anymore.
stop and be an animator. Obviously.
really
that's,
need to.
That's a skill that he's obviously.
I really need to just give up on life and become an animator. 2348. What's that shit called? The code?
It's 2319.
2319. 2319.
2319.
And on my birthday, I thought you cared about me.
That's wet every day. Getting old is not fun. Look at Drew. We tired as hell, bro. And it's only 5 o'clock right now. We're gonna go watch Frozen, buddy.
I'm dead.
After this, we're probably going home.
Yeah.
We old, bro. That's what happens when you get old, bro. Oh,
Yeah, how you still
that's what
going?
happens. Look at him.
How you still going, Nathan?
While the young people are still like, oh, let's keep going, man. Midnight.
I don't even care anymore.
I'm so tired, dude. I'm not gonna lie. This is horrible.
We woke up at like 7 o'clock. What time did you wake up? 6:30?
6:30, bro.
Yeah. Oh yeah,
And
yeah.
I want to sleep at like 1 in the morning. That's horrible.